people look at them and, wait a minute, I mow grass with stuff like that. They say, and I go, well, these don't cut the grass much anymore, but they'll rip it out in a big hurry. We're going to run the trophy dashes and the heats today, and then we're going to lay off because the rain's going to be back, I think, and tomorrow we'll do the main events. Lawnmowers, as you can see, if you took a picture down here, they have lawnmower tires on them. So when you start getting in the mud and the slick, they go all over the place. They're not like motorcycles or anything else. Traction is an issue when it starts getting real wet. If you want to see something fun, you want to have fun, come on out and watch.